I hope it doesn't rain that much. Good morning. It is kinda rainy out here a little bit, but it's still kinda thunderstormy sounds out there. So it rained earlier today. After it rained, I kinda raked the yard a little bit. It looks better. So here is the pile. Looks pretty big for just that back portion over there. So yeah. But it did not rain as hard today than yesterday. So it looks like my big flower stem sprouted. It's sunflower. It is yellow. I thought it might be orange or orange yellow, but it's still pretty. I'm glad it bloomed before it died. So yeah. So these ones are doing okay. Still no flowers from them, but they're green. I think this one might be dying pretty soon. It did have a beating with the rain, heavy rain that we had. But still no flowers with these ones, but it's still green. I did had another flower pot up here, but the kitties knocked it over. I guess they were playing rough one day and my husband saw it on the ground and picked it up. These ones did have life to them a little bit, but I guess when the leaf guys came by, put a lot of garbage into the flower pots and they had a chance to have their full life yet. So maybe next year they'll be a little bit happier and start over again. And maybe next year I'll plant my avocado tree in this big old bigger basket. Maybe next year or the year after that maybe. I do want the avocados to be a big thick stem tree trunk. These are doing good. I'm so surprised because the little kitties like this one a lot. And I'm glad this one's bouncing back since I cut it because one of the kitties had to play with it. I'm glad it's back to normal. This one's doing okay. Very nice. It's getting bigger. Very nice. But this one was very, very, very long and beautiful until they had to play with it. So yeah. So I know that my flowers were dying, but the rain kind of took the rest of them off of the stems. So this is what they look like now. The stems are kind of green still, but the other flowers are doing okay. So here is the flower pot that the kitties knocked over. It looks like there's still life in it. So I need to rake up the leaves again in the backyard. It's been kind of windy a little bit since the storms. I did rake a pile before, so yeah, I need to do it again. It looks like it's fall, but it is still July.